In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Google Sheets. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a quick and straightforward process that will take just a few moments of your time. By the end of this guide, you'll have your Typeform responses automatically populating your Google Sheets, which will make data management and analysis a breeze. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser, be it Chrome, Firefox, or any other. Once you're ready, type in www.typeform.com into the address bar and hit enter. This action will take you to the Typeform homepage. Once the page loads, look for the login button, which you'll find conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that to begin the login process. Now make sure you have your login credentials handy. You can log in using your email address, or if you set up your Typeform account through third-party services like Google or Microsoft, feel free to use those options as well. If you're logging in using your email, enter your email address in the designated field along with your password. Once you've done that, confirm your login by clicking on the Login button. This should direct you to your Typeform dashboard where you can see all your forms. With your Typeform account now open and accessible, it's time for the next step, selecting the specific form you want to connect with Google Sheets. Take a moment to identify which form's responses you'd like to export. Once you've made your choice, simply click on that form to highlight your selection. Next, we're going to navigate to the Connect tab. This is a critical step as the Connect tab is where all your integration settings will be managed. When you're in the Connect tab, look for an option labeled Integrations. Clicking on this will lead you to a variety of integration options that Typeform offers. Among these options, you will want to find and select the Google Sheets integration. This is an important click because it sets in motion the process of linking your Typeform to Google Sheets. At this point, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. This step is crucial because it grants Typeform the necessary permission to access your Google Sheets. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide your Google account credentials. After entering your information, make sure to authorize the access when prompted. This authorization step allows for the seamless transfer of data between Typeform and Google Sheets. Now let's talk about how you want your Typeform responses organized in Google Sheets. You have two options. You can either create a new Google Sheets document specifically for your Typeform responses, or select an existing sheet where you would like the data to be imported. If you choose to use an existing sheet, just make sure to paste the URL of that spreadsheet into the area where prompted. Once you have everything set up, it's time to wrap things up. Click the Connect or Activate button to finalize the integration. After doing so, you should receive a confirmation that your Typeform responses are now linked to Google Sheets. And there you have it. Congratulations! You successfully connected Typeform to Google Sheets. Now, every time someone fills out your Typeform, their responses will automatically populate your selected Google Sheets document. This is going to save you an incredible amount of time and effort in managing your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you can keep learning more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching and happy data analyzing.